Hey everybody, what's up? Have you ever wondered how to play console games on the go or have an external monitor for your laptop? I'm talking dual monitors, right? Well, in this episode of Good Tech Cheap, you're gonna learn how to do it with the Lepow external monitor. This thing's 15 inches. Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at this external Lepow monitor. It's about 15 inches and it uses Type-C plugs. That's right, this thing is USB-C and portable. Yeah, well, as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we unbox the product, we test it out, and we give you all the details. So let's get to it. Brad!
Alright, so we're here with the Lepow Z1 series Type-C portable display. Let's get this sweet plastic off. Oh yeah. Don't you like that? Coming right out. And now we can lift the top and see what we get in this box. Oh. Alright, we have a screen protector right on the top. On the left side here, we have our USB to USB-C type cable, along with a AC adapter with the USB port that goes with our Type-C cable. And underneath some nice foam protecting your display, we have the monitor itself. Let's get it out of the static-free plastic. And it is in the case. And we've got some more cables underneath there. Opening up the case. Oh yeah, that looks sweet. Lepow got some sweet branding right here on the front. On the side here we have our Type-C port. Some more buttons. On the other side here, we have another Type-C port and a mini HDMI port, along with a headphone port. So let's put this off to the side. Underneath here, we have an HDMI cable. This is your HDMI to the mini HDMI, along with another Type-C to Type-C cable. That's always handy to have, along with your paperwork and the installation kit for your screen protector. That is what you get out of the box. Now we're gonna get it charged up and test it out.
The Lepow is a 15.6 inch full HD 1080p USB Type-C computer display. It comes with IPS eye care screen with HDMI Type-C speakers for laptop, PC, PS4, Xbox, phones, and more. And it includes a smart cover and screen protector. It's got full HD 1080p IPS screen. The Lepow USB-C is a 1920 by 1080 portable monitor that delivers a truly immersive viewing experience that lets you enjoy high-definition entertainment and gaming. Its versatile digital connectivity, the mini HDMI and USB-C ports design makes this portable gaming monitor more convenient to connect your laptop, smartphone, PC, PS3, PS4, Xbox One, or Nintendo Switch. It's ideal for extending your screen or playing games on business trips, travel, or just for home entertainment. It's got dual speakers and an HDR mode. The two built-in speakers effectively help push your audio experience with multimedia files while using this device. So you're gonna get great sound out of music and being able to watch movies and play games. The HDR mode supports excellent mainstream transmission so that you can enjoy a great video transmission in game and on other entertainment. It's slim, light, and portable with a slim 0.3 inch profile and just 1.76 pounds. The Lepow 15.6 inch portable monitor is ideal for your life and work to make a simple setup on the go dual monitor and mobile experience for presentations and more. The cover case is made of PU leather to provide excellent protection for the entire monitor, and it can be folded into different positions to create a stand. The Lepow Z1 portable monitor is awesome. We use it in a bunch of different ways, including being able to portable or style of mobile gaming with our PS4s. We used it as a reference monitor for filming parts of these videos. And of course, we used it for dual monitor laptop gaming experiences. That's right. So the Lepow Z1 portable monitor is awesome, and we want to give a huge shout out to Lepow for sponsoring this video and allowing us to bring you this awesome product. Let us know in the comments where you can what you thought, and if you wanted a external monitor for your laptop. Have you ever thought about going dual monitors or taking your gaming experience to that level with a laptop? Let us know in the comments, and where you can follow us, and where you can subscribe, and if you see a bell, click it for notifications so you can get the newest episode of Good Tech Cheap sent right to you. But everybody, I've been today's host, Matthew, and I want to say thank you guys for watching Good Tech Cheap, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Later!